that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
All right. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little late. Good morning. We here. We here. Happy Wednesday. Oh, I see Brett's already on Tradeify stream. Looks like Brett's already on the stream there. What, G-Man? I guess Brett already went over the the select plan, huh? He went over before the market. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so chat, if you want to get the new select plans, use my link to do that. That'll give you that's just to support the community, right? Obviously affiliate codes don't work for the launch, apparently. So use my link to get those if you want to support the community. Links pinned in the comments there. Nasdaq saw a lot of selling pre-market. Holy. Holy chat. What up, Trader 007? How you doing? How you doing? Not much, dude. Not much. Just another day, another day, another day. Trying to figure out what the Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq getting a lot of selling. Lots of selling in the Nasdaq. Lots of news, yeah. See, the Nasdaq continues all this selling here. Nasdaq is definitely hurting. Nice, Cherry 007. Awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Seeing the selling is going to continue here. Nasdaq definitely not feeling too hot. Trump speaks, everybody goes short. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. Oh boy, Nasdaq really selling here. Lots of selling, lots of selling, lots of selling. We'll see if it continues or not, or if we decide to catch a buy up. So far, obviously, Nasdaq's been pretty weak. Trump speaking at 9 is probably going to come out and just wreck the entire market, but hey, it's okay. That's okay. Nasdaq's trying to hover here and hold, but it's kind of a tug of war. Kind of a tug of war. Buyers trying to step in here a little bit. Buyers stepping up here. Got to watch a push above VWAP there. That could get a little scary if it tries to. This was a huge move from 650 all the way down to 425. Wowzers. Hello, Tris. Watching these sellers here, seeing if they're going to come back through. Chat, if you didn't know, Tradeify did launch their select plans. If you do want to buy one of those, use my link in the pinned comment there if you want to support the community. I'm going to be loading up the boat on those new plans. I want those daily payouts, chat. I want the daily payouts. Give me the daily payouts. All right, are these sellers going to pick up here? Hello, Cherry King. Aiden, good morning. So far, it's kind of a tug of war here. Got to be careful with news today. Sellers trying to step up. Can they bring us down, chat? Can they bring us down? Down, 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 down. Nasdaq been overall weak to start the day. Yeah, PMI coming out. What up, G? Welcome back. Welcome back, G. Are sellers going to dump it, chat? That's the question. Are sellers going to continue to dump it? We've been just hovering here. We haven't really done a whole lot. Those new Tradeify accounts, yeah, they're fire. They are fire. I told you guys they were coming out with something hot, bro. I told you. I've been waiting on it. Been absolutely waiting on it, bro. G, use my link. If you use their code, use my link. That'll support the community. It's in the pinned comment there. Man, what a tug of war here. Either buyers or sellers really able to move us anywhere. Trying to see what is gonna happen here on the Nas. I really want shorts, chat. I'm looking at these levels here. I'm trying to find shorts. But I don't like how buyers are continuing to hold this. I mean, they're just constantly holding this level here. Hmm. I mean, if we can get going with the trend here of it being down, I would love to have that happen. But Trump speaking today, I don't love that. Don't love Trump speaking today. Sellers trying to kick back up here. Sellers trying to move us back down. But then buyers step right back up and hold it, man. It's crazy, bro. Give us something, chat. Give us something. I feel like if it pops to the downside, it's going to be a big pop. Like it just feels like it would be a big move to the downside if it decides to go. But buyers hold it. Every time we get down to those 60s or 50s, buyers hold it and pop us back up. It's like it's struggling to get back below those 50s there. We're watching though. We're watching. Man, buyers holding that is just crazy. Like actually crazy. Where's the likes? I don't know. Chat, where's the likes, bro? Huh? Chat, where's the likes? All right, sellers trying to bring us back down to the 50s again. If we can pop to the downside, it'd probably be a big pop. All right, sellers bring us down. May go pop the lows here. Do we go pop the lows? Crazy after that sell-off, yeah. We have once again right at Chop City. Yep, we have. Took a trade yet? Not yet. I've been watching it, trying to figure out if I'm gonna take shorts or not, but I don't know. I don't know. Buyers holding this. I'm not like a huge fan of. We also have Trump speaking today. What time does he speak today, actually? Hang on. Oh, there we go. Is it 10? Oh, in 5 minutes. Yeah, Trump speaks in 5 minutes. So we got Trump, more PMI at 9. Oh, yeah. Chop box, yeah. It's extremely choppy. Extremely choppy. I think it's just because we have President Trump getting ready to speak. Market's kind of waiting on it. Which I don't know what he's talking about. Chat, what is he talking about? Anybody know? What's the Trumpster talking about today? Logan, right here. Nine o'clock. It says right here on Financial Juice, 9 o'clock. And then later today as well, he makes an announcement at 1:30. But so it shows Trump speaks today here in like 3 minutes. Chat, I took my first red trade on gold last night. I took a trade on gold. Been a while since I've had a red night on gold. We took it was only $300. Only a $300 loss on gold last night. We did catch some of this pre-market move short. First gold trade was green. The second one, I saw you post in Discord when you got long. You had a good long. That was a great long. We haven't taken any trades during the New York session, but we did take, or during the open, we did take a little bit of pre-market move to the downside here. So technically we're up 900 today, but haven't taken anything here yet in this freaking chop fest. Been waiting for a breakout to the downside. I had a limit order set down at the lows because I was going to do a time stop trade to where we caught, you know, just a quick move. And then I'd get out of it immediately, but we never got down to those lows there. Buyers stepped up and continued to hold us. But at least we caught a little bit of this. We're up 900 from that. We'll see if we get anything else the rest of the day. With Trump speaking right now, it may get a little weird. I wonder if, actually here, I wonder if I can find where Trump's speaking. Let's see. Trump. I wonder if it's on YouTube at all. I'm not seeing anything. For a little excitement, I plan to open a can of paint and watch it dry. Should I go for blue or tan? Blue. Blue is my favorite color. So run up blue. You think Financial Juice has it wrong? I don't know. I mean, I see two places where he speaks. I see one later this afternoon and one this morning. I just go off what Financial Juice tells me. He does. Okay, I just found the schedule for him. He does have something going on at 10 Eastern, but it looks like he is actually speaking at 1:30 or 2:30 Eastern, I think. That's what it looks like. Trump's talking about Bitcoin. He's guys all in on Bitcoin. I wish I was all in on Bitcoin. Might have to sell the house, chat. Might have to sell the house, bro. What's Bitcoin even at? 92,000. Nice little recovery from 83,000. Nice recovery. NQ catching a bounce. Blue it is. Love that. Financial Jews must be on some crack then. I don't know. They must be doing some serious drugs today. They must be, bro. Holy. Chat, this afternoon I'm going to be on Ninja Trader. I'll be trading the close with Ninja Trader today. Does IB work well in London? I personally haven't tested it in any of the other sessions like London or Asia. I've only used it in New York. So I couldn't tell you. Chat, as a reminder, use if you want to get the new select plans at Tradeify, use a link in the pinned comment there if you want to support the community. Sellers bring us back down here. Pushing through the electronic hour VWAP. Question is, are we actually going to retrace this whole move from pre-market? That's the question, chat. So you can't use code JM with the 40% off, unfortunately, but you can use my link. My link, if you use their code but use my link, I'll still get you'll still be able to support me. So that's the way to do it. So you can still support the community by using my link in the pinned comment. select, G-Man. It's code select. No giveaway today, guys. I'm working on getting codes for the new select plans. Actually, let me message for them right now and see if I can get them. Boy, Nasdaq is fucking boring today. What the hell? Nasdaq sucks. What's our range? IB range? 144. Why does the Nasdaq suck today, chat? Anybody know? Also, chat, if you do use my link and buy the select plan, send me a screenshot in Discord. That'll enter you for the free 150K straight to funded account this month. So be sure you send me those screenshots. Chat, do I have any YouTube thumbnail designers in the chat right now? Any of you guys do YouTube thumbnails? And good at them? That's redneck. That's why I said that. I was like, I don't want nobody who's gonna just be like, yeah, I can do it. And Nasdaq ain't doing shit, bro. Chat, any guys trading this right now? Like, truthfully, the Nasdaq's doing nothing. What's gold doing? Let's take a look at other things here. Gold. Wow, gold saw a mega sell-off. 73. 43-point move on gold. That's cray. Man, even YM, well, YM had a nice pump, but even really like YM's not doing that much. The whole market's kind of dead right now. You know what that means, chat? When the market's dead, you know what that means. Market's waiting for something. Market is waiting for something to happen, chat. Not trading this junk PA, but the blue paint already has a skim coat for it. Got to put on a second layer, dude. Gonna have to put on the second layer. Nasdaq trying to go back up to the ETH VWAP here. Man, SPA is bad. Bad. Very bad. Very bad. Trying to catch a little bit of a buyer. Get into that VWAP. I don't know how sold I am on a buy up though. Was there not a good breakout trade for you at 25,540? I'm not really a breakout trader. Really, both of my strategies, you could honestly classify me as a reversal trader. Like if I had to say what kind of trader I am, it would be a reversal trader. Just given that my two strategies are based off reversals. How's that catching a buy here? Nas really trying to catch a bid. I'm having a nice streak of when I enter a trade, my entry mark forms the instant support and resistance level. It's called the blue line algo. That's what that's called. Blue line algo. Oh, RIP that bid, huh? Mastering the blue line algo. Maybe we should create a course on the blue line algo, huh? Georgia, you're welcome. Boy, the Nasdaq is just very unexciting, chat. Fuck. Blue is VWAP, yeah. Blue, this is the electronic hour. Electronic hours VWAP. Selling coming back through on Nas. That's interesting. Choppy ass shit. Chat, I just realized I didn't turn off ads. I just turned ads off. That way you guys don't get hit with ads. You're welcome. You're welcome. Chat, truthfully, I hope you guys aren't trading this. Like, if you're sitting here looking at this shit and thinking, oh, I need to get long here, I need a short here, what the fuck are you doing? Truthfully, I hope you guys aren't searching for shit in here. Like, this is really bad. Hello, which indicator do you use for VWAP? VWAP. I use the VWAP indicator for VWAP. Ah. It's like, when is the open? I know, bro. I feel like I'm waiting for the market to open right now. It's crazy. Like, actually, this is insane. Oh, redneck, bro. The moment I end stream, dog, I'm telling you, you're gonna have the most insane movement on the in the market. It happens every time. I'm gonna end stream because fucking the PA is garbage. And then I walk away in stream, and then y'all are gonna have the most insane PA you've ever seen in your life. Guaranteed. Guaranteed, bro. Your internet's being upgraded, so of course it keeps going out. Well, you're not missing anything. Trust me, you're missing nothing. We've all been spoiled with recent volatility. Yeah. It's like we see this massive sell-off and then we just do nothing after it, bro. It's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. You think gold's gonna dump? Take a look. Yeah, I can see shorts here on gold. I mean, look at these. Look at this, bro. I mean, crazy. Genuine status G-Man. Yeah, that's G-Man. G-Man's got mod status, so you'll know. G-Man got a mean swing with that Thor hammer. I don't know why YouTube did that, bro. That's so annoying. Like, I hate the fact that they changed it to where I can only see usernames. Super annoying. Seller's trying to come through, bro, but I don't know how. I don't know if I'm sold on anything, bro. Really not. I don't know how sold I am on sellers, chat. You know, sold on sellers. I don't know about it. I don't know, chat. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. What's it gonna be? Chat, I'm scared. Paul, what up? Seller is just unable, bro. Seller is unable. Buyer's unable. The market's unable. Everything's unable, chat. Everything unable. Sellers did try to get down to break that level at 499. We'll see. We'll see. Buyers popping back up there, unable to break that support there at 499, which is just crazy. Crazy. Crazy annoying. Oh, buddy. Holy. Buyers. Where are buyers going, chat? Where are the buyers going? Nasdaq's flying. What happened? What just happened? Nasdaq just flew. Did data come out, chat? I'm looking to see what just happened. What just happened? Hmm. I don't know. Buyers are really trying to step through here. Chat, this market's on drugs. I don't even know what just happened. Rather unable than disable. blew my account today because I wasn't playing. Wait, because I wasn't paying attention. I was on TradingView where I click once, it buys, sells instead of TradingView where I can set my stuff up first. And yeah, I mean, happens. User error. I've had plenty of user error experiences. Plenty of user error experiences, chat. Been there. You want to hear an insane story? Chat, since we're waiting for the market, I mean, I don't know if I really like this move, so we're going to wait. I'll give you guys an insane story. I was trading minis in my account, in my personal account, chat. This is personal account, by the way. I don't normally look at my P&L when I trade, chat. And so I was in one mini, right? I was in one mini. I added one, right? So I got into like two minis. And I'm trying to remember how this played out. I think I added one. I think so. I think I was in two minis total. And then I went to double. I wanted to double my size, but I changed I went to go change the number of contracts to 2. But the problem is I didn't delete the previous number. And so when I typed 2, it was 21 contracts and I didn't know it. And I entered. So I was in like 24, I think is what it was. I could be off on the numbers, but anyways, I was in like 20 something contracts, chat. 20 something contracts when I trade like 1 to 2. And I don't look at my P&L when I trade. So I didn't realize it. I looked at my P&L, chat. I was down like 13 grand. I was down 13 grand. Fortunately, my trade was correct. I mean, I didn't lose 13 grand, chat. I was down 13 grand for drawdown. But because I was in so many contracts, like I wasn't in like, if you're talking like point value, I wasn't like in a lot of drawdown, right? It was drawdown that I could tolerate. But anyways, I panicked. I panicked and I got rid of the position, right? I panicked and got rid of the position. My trade was right. I would have made money, but I got out of the position. But ended up making it all back. I don't recommend it, chat. I don't. I could be off on the number of contracts. I have to go back and like look at the orders, but it was like 20 something contracts, and I was down like 13 grand at one point. It was pretty insane. About had a heart attack. About had a heart attack, chat. Chat, somebody go use code JM at see if my code works for the 40% off. Somebody go see if that 40% off works with code JM. Okay, code JM works. Chat, everybody, code JM. If you buy select plan, use code JM. You should do 21 mini contracts again and let Logan pick long or short. That would be. we might have to. Logan's our he's our Warren Buffett of the chat. Logan, I don't know if you're here, but you've made a name for yourself in the chat, bro. Logan. Where the fuck? Hello? Yeah. Oh, stop it. Oh, market's back to chopping. Love that. Hang on, chat. What the Nasdaq's trying to catch a bid here. Nasdaq trying to catch a bid. Hang on, chat. I'm doing something real quick. I'm doing something real quick, chat. Hang on. Hang on, chat. There we go. Chat, there. I know you guys already probably saw the select plan, but there is the select plan graphic. These plans are really fire, bro. I mean, absolutely fire, dude. So you can use code JM to lock in those plans there. Daily payouts, chat. Daily payouts at Tradeify now. Or you can choose a 5-day payout plan and get higher payouts, meaning if you could get up to $25,000 in payouts at Tradeify if you use the 150K accounts and the 5-day payouts. Daily payouts, I mean, bro. Chat, it's time to run them the fuck up, you know what I mean? It's time to run them up, dude, because these accounts are also too, like, there you can now have 5 live accounts and the live is now 90-10 profit split. It's better than TPT. It's literally better than take profit, chat. It's better than take profits plans. Because now it's EOD daily payouts. And when you're in live, you can just run them up. There's no consistency, nothing. Like there's no rules. Just run them up. You can literally have like $100,000 days, like Lanto. Like it's just insane, dude. It's insane. So much money to be made with these plans, bro. So much money to be made. What's gold doing? Let's take a look. Nothing. It's been just kind of chilling here. Gold's doing nothing. Gold's doing nothing, bro. Chat, we're green today. I don't know that I want to really trade this shit. We're green from pre-market, bro. What am I green today? Hold on. I think it's 900. Take a look. No, sorry. I'm up 1200. I'm up 1200 from this drop pre-market here. I don't know that I want to trade this shit, bro. I mean, this is bad, chat. Really. This is really bad. Yesterday, we were up 1,000 yesterday. Now we're only up 700 on yesterday. That's because we took a gold trade last night and we lost 300 on that gold trade. But chat, we're up 4,000 this week in the personal account. 4,000, bro. We are absolutely crushing it right now. You feel gold is still gonna dump? Yeah, it might. Might. It just might. Oh, Chad, that's where that pump came from right here. That pump came from, so Mike, there was somebody reported that Microsoft lowered sales quota. But Microsoft has not. So that's where that came from. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, gold is dumping. G-Man, you in, bro? Hold on, gold is dumping. G-Man. Hold on, bro. G's making $1 million on gold. You can buy G-Man's gold course for $9.99. Buy his course for $9.99, bro. Holy. Oh, God. Chat, we're about to have a record week in our personal account now that I think about it. If we go to last month, our record week that we've had in a personal account has been 4,700. That's been the record week in the personal account. Right now, we're up 4,100 and we still got tomorrow and Friday. So we're getting really close to having a record-breaking week in the personal account. Which is nice because obviously like trading the week of Christmas may not be that great. The week after may not be that great. So it's nice. So we'll see. But we have all the rest of this week, next week, and the week after. And then we have that Christmas week. So we'll see what PA is like the 22nd. The week of the 22nd. But overall, we're having a great week. Great week. G-Man, you trailing that gold position? Nasdaq trying to roll over here. Nasdaq might be trying to roll over. Moving back below IB high here. All right, chat. I think we're gonna call it a day, bro. We're gonna take our money that we made this morning early on, and just call it a day. There's nothing to take here. I mean, I have nothing to do with this PA. I want nothing to do with it. So I think we're gonna just call it. Chat, I'll be live on Ninja Trader this afternoon. Whew. Ah. Be live on Ninja Trader this afternoon. The new plans at Tradeify are 40% off. You can use code JM to lock that in. Send me a screenshot of you using code JM in Discord. That'll enter you for a free 150K straight to funded account giveaway. Be sure to do that, chat. Love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Come over on Ninja Trader this afternoon. Come say hi in the Ninja Trader stream. Come hang out with me, and I'll see you guys later.